Before I ever started the glow up journey, I was totally broken. I lost my sense of self. I didn't think I was going to get to this point. If you look around me, this is not my parents' house. I got this space for myself. I lost my sense of self, my routines, my motivation. I didn't think I was going to get to this point, honestly, because I knew what I actually went through. If you look around me, this is not my parents' house. I got this space for myself. Now, this is also one of the things I did to help push me forward. We are still going to get into it. Now, I don't talk about this part often. The part where I started glowing up, because people do look at me and they're like, what happened? Well, something is different. You are looking different from what you used to be before. And definitely I know that. Now, I don't talk about it because this wasn't the version of me that felt cute, that felt confident, that felt seen, you understand? That felt organized. Now, this was a version of me that did not recognize herself anymore. I was constantly comparing myself to other people. I didn't even know my style. Now, I was either doing too much or nothing at all. And the hardest part was I was thinking something was wrong with me. But looking back now, I wasn't failing. I was just disconnected. Now, that is why I started building this space. Not for the girls who have it all together, but for the girls who have been in the same position or who are currently in the position that I was back then and who are willing or trying their best to see what they can do to come out of it. Because most of the videos that you see online now would have been people that have already been there and they passed that stage. Do you understand? Now, this one now is not going to be like, because as you can see me, I've not yet passed that stage. I'm still on I'm still on the road with you. We are still moving together. That's why I had to do this, so that at least before I complete my 3 months of self-reinvention, you will also be in that same head space, physical space, spiritual space, everything with me. Do you understand? Now, I created the Everyday Girl Glow Checklist as your first lifeline. Now, this contains the things that I did that helped me move from where I was down to where I am now. So definitely, I would love you to hit the description box, use that link, download this stuff, and then read it. Okay, that way you know it's not complicated. Don't worry, it's not complicated. They're just trust me, very simple steps. you would even be amazed, because I had to read about so many of these things that I want to share with you on this channel. I had to read about a lot of things, and I came up with all these things. I had to write it down as I was going, I had to get a space for myself, like I said. Now, this space now helped me just clear up my head entirely. I just had to focus on what I had to do, focus on my work, my spiritual life, and every other thing. Now, I want you to also come with me and also work this work and also do this thing with me as well. But if you feel you've gotten it all figured out, it's not the space for you, my darling. It's for those everyday girl. Okay, my girl, she knows me as I'm talking, she's listening, and she knows that she's the one I'm talking to. So definitely, let's move together. It is free. It's in the description box. Just hit the description box, use the link, and download the PDF. Very simple. It is a very soft way to begin. Nothing complicated, no perfections needed. Just be yourself, so that you can begin remembering who you are, one step at a time. Now, if you're feeling disconnected like I was, grab the checklist below, like I said, and let's help you find your way again. If you love this content, if you love my channel, definitely give me a thumbs up, share this video to whoever you feel would need to listen to this. And now that we've not gone so far, come, let us begin together, please, guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends. Give me a thumbs up, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, bubbles.